The Kingston Education Centre building hasn't been painted since 1973. The building definitely needed a fresh coat of paint because it's quite old and tired. It's such an important space for Monash Health because it serves education and research for our 24,000 employees. PPG, they are transforming this space for the 21st century.
PPG's Colourful Communities program is all about getting into the community and helping those areas that need it most. There was a lot of work to be done. 6 massive rooms that we're painting, we're doing all the skirting, doing all the doors. We've got over 100 PPG employees to help get the job done. We've also provided all of the Taubmans paint to create the fabulous finish.
This support that we've received is phenomenal. I've been working in this space for 12 years and it was not very pleasing to the eye. Whereas walking in today, the first thing I noticed was how bright. The light is amazing. Nurses are very excited about what their offices are looking like. So I think they're going to come with new pep in their step when they come to work.
It's really changed what this building will be used for going forward.
I hope it attracts more people and more community groups to come and use this beautiful place that I feel like we've brought back to life.